Hello friends, in this video you will learn about how to make advanced setting for YouTube channel. Let's start. Click on your channel profile, then open YouTube Studio. Now click on setting. Here you see new dialog box will appear. In General tab you can select your desired currency for YouTube earning. Now click on channel, select your desired country of residence. Now enter keywords for your channel. After that, click on advanced setting. You see audience concept. Here you have to define your audience type. Select your video made for kids. If you make cartoon type videos, I choose not made for kids because I upload video on educational topic that never match to kids topic. Now move downward. You can also link your channel with Google Ads to run ads. For best practice, untick mark this automatic captions, also untick disable interest-based ads. Tick mark this allow viewers to clip your content. Blue you see other settings, we will discuss this in later videos. Also feature eligibility topic will be covered in later video. Now click on uploads default, select visibility as unlisted. Enter tags as upload default that repeated in every videos. Now click on advanced setting. Tick mark allow automatic chapters. Select YouTube standards license. Now select video category. After that select video language. Select caption certificate as none. Now select title and description language. For best practice, choose hold potentially inappropriate comments for review. Also tick mark increase strictness. Now click on permission. You also manage channel permission from here. We will cover this community setting topic in later videos. Here you see YouTube agreements. You must have to follow these agreements. Now click on save button and that's it.